this is Sarita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see the MCQs of lesson 7, ratio and proportion. This is part 1. I have made 2 videos on this MCQs of lesson 7, ratio and proportion. Also, if you have not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe to my channel Get the Math and press the bell icon to get the notifications. You can go through the playlist of ICSE 10 of any of my channel where you will find the required topic videos. So let us start with the MCQs here. The first one is a ratio equivalent to 3:7 is. So a ratio equivalent to 3:7 from these options is, you can see 9/21. So if you cancel these and convert these into standard form, you should get this ratio. So that will be the equivalent ratio to 3:7, and that is 9:21. So now I am here going to tick it like this. Second one, the ratio 35:84 is the simplest form of. So this is the simplest form of here 5:12. That is the standard form of 5:12. So this is the correct answer. In a class there are 20 boys and 15 girls. So the ratio of boys to girls is, so these are boys here and ratio of boys to girls will be equal to, convert this into standard form, this is 4/3. So this is the correct answer. Two numbers are in the ratio 7:9. If the sum of the numbers is 112, then the larger number is. So you have to first add. When such question is given, you have to add the ratios. So sum of the ratio is 7 plus 9 is 16, and the sum of the numbers is given is 112. So the larger number they are asking, so larger number is 9 here. So 9 upon the sum of the ratios multiplied by the sum of the numbers. So if you do the cancellation, you get the answer as 63. So this is the correct answer. The ratio of 1.5 meter to 10 centimeter, the units are different here. Convert this unit to the same unit and then do the cancellations. You get the answer as 15:1. So option 4 is the correct choice. The ratio of 1 hour to 300 seconds is, so 1 hour means 3600 seconds and upon 300 seconds, so that is equal to 12/1. So option 2 is the correct answer. In 4:7, 16:28, 7 and 16 are called as, so this 7 and 16 are called as what? So here you know that sum of extremes equal to sum of means. Now here means word is not written, but middle it is written, so these are called as the middle terms. The first, second and the fourth term of a proportion are 16, 24 and 54. Find the third term. So third term is not given, so let the third term be x here. Write in the proportion form first, second and fourth term, and third term is x. So you have to find x here. You get the answer as 36. If 12, 21, 72, 126 are in proportion, then what could be the proportionality sign here? Product of means equal to product of extremes. You have to apply this formula. So it should be 12 into 126 equal to 21 into 72. So it should be 12 into 126 equal to 21 into 72. So option 3 is the correct option. If x, y and z are in proportion, then so what should be the answer for this? X, y, z are in proportion. So this should be, according to the third proportion, it is x is to y is to y is to z. So this is the correct answer. 7:12 is equivalent to, so 7/12 is equivalent to, so if these numbers should be converted to the standard form, and then you can check it out which number is equal to 7/12. So this is 42:72. That is the correct option. The length and breadth of a rectangle are in the ratio 3:1. If breadth is 7, then the length is how much? So length is to breadth is given 3:1. So is to, that means this is first it is the ratio for length and second is for breadth. So here also first you have to write for length and second is for breadth. the value of the breadth is given as 7 centimeter, but the length of the value of the length is not given here, so it is x centimeter. So x will be equal to product of means equal to product of extremes, that will be 3 into 7 by 1, that is 21 centimeter. So this is the correct option, option 4. So this way you have to solve your MCQs for ratio and proportion. You can check it out the second video also. I have solved some more MCQs in the second video too. So that's all for now. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.